Hi, this is Lorna from Ink and Lace, and here's just a little short video, and I would like to give you a little tip on how to deal with having a short thread. And I have here something that I want to show you. So I'm working on this side piece for a bust, and I still have to do a lot of simple wrapping done, but I'm running out of threads and I don't like knots in it. Like you guys know, for Romanian Point Lace to have knots, it's a no-go. But I can't cut a thread at the moment because I was in the wrapping process and in creating the traditional base threads for the simple wraps. So let's see what we can do to make it a little bit easier. So I wrapped as much as I could to finish one go, you guys see, and now I'm doing just two more wraps. Sorry guys that you can't see it, but you guys know what I'm talking about, the simple wrapping. Okay, so once I'm reaching this point, okay, the center right here, and I know this thread ain't gonna last for even one more go, what I'm actually doing, I'm creating another thread in here by connecting all. I'm adding this one more thread to that, right, and keep on going either that direction down or here, because here I have the same color to match, and it would look great if I'm hiding the thread in this cord. I'm following the thread and the needle into this element. So let me do this quickly. So from underneath, sorry guys, from underneath, I'm poking my needle through, right? There you go. And I'm creating another thread to support my base system. Now that I have really little left, I'm gonna hide it simply in this element. Okay, so I'm gonna do this right now, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So let's sew. Easy, we're gonna use the leftover threads to poke in. Okay, so I'm sewing into the cord, into the simple Romanian point lace cord. By doing that, I am securing the base threads for my next wrapping project, to finish wrapping the simple threads. And after anchoring my needle a few times into the embroidery element and the simple cord, I'm basically ready to cut the little threads, the leftover thread out away. It will not come apart, trust me. It happens so many times that it's really hidden really well. So there we go. We have a little bit of threads left. We can take the needle out, and now we can basically cut. I'm cutting very close to the cord, and there we go. Now you guys can see that some of the base threads are thicker and some are thinner, but that's okay, because once we start wrapping, it's gonna look really textured and dimensional, and it's gonna have a really good structure base to it. Now you see how it look with knots inside. It would not look great in the netting. So thanks for watching, and I hope that this little trick helped out. I know traditionally it's not getting done like this. People use a lot very long threads to do the wrappings, but I find that the longer the thread is, the more you get the knots into the thread, and it's taking very long to keep on taking the knots carefully apart, and I don't think it's worth that. If you can hide it in the cord or in the side elements with a really clean surface, by all means use it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And if you have any questions about this, please contact me below. Thank you.